Hello guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about what is Jenkins. Okay, so let's get started. Jenkins is an open source automation tool written in Java with plugins built for CI. CI means continuous integration purposes. Jenkins is used to build and test your software projects continuously, making it easier for developers to integrate changes to the project. It also allows you to continuously deliver the software by integrating with a large number of testing and deployment. Okay, so it's an open source automation tool written in Java. Okay, it says written in Java, and it also has built-in plugins. Okay, which helps us for continuous integration and continuous delivery. Okay, continuous integration and continuous delivery. Okay, so second use case of Jenkins is, with Jenkins, companies can accelerate the software development process through automation. Okay. So they can accelerate the software development process through automation. Jenkins integrates development lifecycle processes of all kinds, including build, document, test, package, stage, deploy, static analysis, and consumer. And next use case is Jenkins achieves continuous integration with the help of plugins. So how Jenkins is achieving continuous integration is with the help of plugins that we integrate, we install in Jenkins. The plugins. If you want to integrate a particular tool, you need to install plugins for that tool. For example, if you want Git, you want the Git plugin. If you want Maven, you want Maven plugin. If you want Amazon EC2, so you have to install Amazon's plugin. If you want HTML publisher, you have to install HTML plugin. Okay guys, so what all we discussed in this video is what is Jenkins. Jenkins is automation. It's an open source automation tool written in Java with plugins built for CI and CD, okay, which eases the development process. Okay, and company uses why company uses Jenkins. Companies use Jenkins to integrate their development life cycle processes of all kinds. Okay, and how we are achieving this CI continuous integration is with the help of plugins. Plugins allow us for integration of various development stages, okay, which eases the life of DevOps as well as developers. Okay, so if you want to integrate any particular tool, you have to install the plugin of that particular tool. Okay, guys, hope you have understood this concept. So let's meet up in the next video with the next concept. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and please hit the subscribe button too. Thank you guys.